Hey guys, in this video I'll teach you how to use Trello for personal productivity. If you're feeling overwhelmed with tasks or don't know how to stay organized, Trello is a super simple tool that can help you manage your daily life. First, open Trello and create a new board. You can name it something like My Daily Task or Personal Productivity. Next, create a list to organize your workflow. A simple setup is to do, doing, and done. After that, start adding cards under the to-do list. Each card represents a task like do homework, work out, or reply to emails. When you start working on a task, just drag the card to the doing list, and once you finish it, move it to done. This helps you clearly see your progress. You can also click on a board to add more details like due dates, checklists, or notes. This makes it easier to track everything in one place. Here are some simple tips. Don't add too many tasks at once. Focus on what you can finish today. Use clear and short task names so you don't get confused. And check your board daily to stay consistent. So there you go guys. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always type them down in the comment section below. And we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible.